Hello and welcome to my video tutorial on creating a shared folder between Windows host and Kali Linux guest operating system in a virtual machine. This features is handy for sharing files and data between your host and guest operating system. So let's get started. So in the first step, we have to prepare a virtual machine. Make sure that you have installed uh, the proper virtual machine in a proper way, and I have here uh, cloned the Kali Linux distribution system. So that's why there is two machines showing in my virtual box. Open your virtual machine software. We are using VirtualBox for this demonstration. um, so first of all, let us create a folder in Windows, which is our host system. Uh, so here I will open terminal in my desktop where I will create my folder. So let's make a directory named shared folder. So you can see it has created a shared name folder named shared folder. So now all we have to do is go to your VirtualBox and select any virtual machine and go to settings. Make sure the virtual machine is turned off, powered off in our case. So go to settings and navigate to shared folder. So you can see I have already added a folder previously. That's why it is showing the previous added folder. So if I want to add another folder, I have to click in this icon, add new shared folder. So after that, we have to choose the location of the folder. We have to select from the drop down and select other in our case. So we have made our folder in the desktop, and the name of the folder was shared folder. So we have to select that, and also make sure you have auto mount selected. So whenever your Linux system is turned on, it will automatically mount the drive. So click OK and again OK. Uh, you can do the same thing for this system also, this machine also. For the demonstration part, let's turn on our Linux. We'll pause this video here and until the system is turned on. So we have logged into our Linux system. We can go to file system and you can see there is a folder called SF shared folder. SF stand for shared folder, and the rest of the part is the folder name. So if you click on this, you can see the folder is currently empty. So what we can do is create a folder or file anything here, and can check back to our host machine if it has any changes. So I will create a empty file here. You can see the file name we have. We can rename the file as test. So let's create a file. So you can see there is a file called text. So let's go to our host. And here you go, you can see that the host also contains the file name test, which is empty. If you open that up, you can say it's empty. And what if we edit this text, edit or add anything? Let's see, ABC. I have typed ABC and saved the file. And let us go to our guest Linux distribution. Let open this file up now. You can see it have successfully uh, changed what we have done in the host machine. So anything we do here will also affect the file in the host machine. We can also check the other host machine by going to our virtual machine, and let's start our another virtual machine. I will pause the video here. So we have logged into our the other virtual machine, which is named Kali Linux 2023, which is a different machine. You can see there are two different separate machines. So if you remember, we have also added the shared folder for this system. So you can see that there are this folder named shared folder. So if you click on this, you can see the same file named test, and the file contains the same text. We can also demonstrate the transferring file feature we have mentioned earlier. So how can we do that? So if we copy anything from the host machine, you can see I am copying the new empty file and pasting it here in the shared folder which we have created earlier. So let us paste the txt file. So let us check if we have any changes in the guest machine. So let's open up the file directory and let's go to shared folder, and here you can see a new empty file.txt has been added, which wasn't here earlier. So we can share files in this way, from host to guest and guest to host. Thank you.